Now come to a very short topic on lung cancer, because it's not a part of medicine basically. Yes, it's part, but it's mostly seen in pathology and all. But I want to tell all know the smoker. It is associated with lung cancer, and it is associated with adenocarcinoma. So adenocarcinoma is a cancer that is associated with the lung, with smoker. And adenocarcinoma is not only associated with smoking, but it is also the most common type of lung cancer along world. And you all know that most common cancer in the world is breast cancer, and most common cancer in male in the world is lung cancer. That's it. In case of lung cancer, we have to do a low dose thin slice spiral CT. So that is a CT scan we do for a lung cancer, low dose thin slice spiral CT. In case of adenocarcinoma, with the EGFR mutation, we give drugs like tyrosine kinase inhibitor that actually inhibit this EGFR signal, like gefitinib or erlotinib. This type of drug we used in case of adenocarcinoma with EGFR mutation. Now, in case of adenocarcinoma, there are some paraneoplastic syndrome associated with this. In case of adenocarcinoma, you will get hypertrophic primary osteoarthropathy. So that is a very important thing in case of adenocarcinoma. It is not only specific to adenocarcinoma. This condition also seen in Mets lung or mesothelioma. So you can see this hypertrophic primary osteoarthropathy in case of adenocarcinoma, mesothelioma, and in case of metastasis lung also. In case of long non-small cell cancer, we already told you, you will see clubbing in case of 30% case. In case of squamous cell cancer, you will see hypercalcemia. Why hypercalcemia? Because of increased PTH related peptide. PTH related peptide gets increased, and you will see hypercalcemia in case of squamous cell cancer. In case of small cell, we all know you will get Cushing syndrome. There will be ectopic ACTH production leads to Cushing syndrome. You will get SCIADH. You will get Eaton syndrome. Many things in the small cell cancer. Pancreas tumor. It's a tumor of lung in the apex of the lung, otherwise known as superior sulcus tumor. Superior sulcus tumor or Pancreas tumor or Pancreas syndrome in the apex of the lung, and it associated with the nerve root C8, T1, T2. And there will be pain in the arm, radiating to the arm and all. Lung cancer metastasizes to the liver. So it's an important thing. Lung cancer metastasizes to the liver. Now, smoking. For smoking cessation, we use two drugs known as varenicline and bupropion. But both of these drugs actually leads to a side effect. It increases the suicidal tendency. So that is the important thing. These both smoking cessation drug, they take the drug for smoking cessation and they die of suicide. It's a worse situation that can happen. But bupropion has an advantage. It actually decreases the seizure threshold. So it actually decreases the seizure. So that's the important thing I want to tell you. Now, tumor lysis syndrome I want to tell, because it comes in many places, but tumor lysis is an important part here. Tumor lysis, there are some features you have to know, and many times question asks what is not a feature of tumor lysis. So uric acid increased, potassium increased, phosphate increased, but calcium decreased. And question every time asked from this calcium, you have to remember hypercalcemia is not a feature of tumor lysis. Hypocalcemia is a feature of tumor lysis syndrome. That's it. Bupropion, it actually decreases seizure threshold. So it's not an advantage, it's a disadvantage, because if it decreases seizure threshold, there will be more chance of seizure now. So bupropion, varenicline, both these drugs increases the suicidal tendency. Above all, bupropion actually increases the chance of seizure by decreasing the seizure threshold. What is the treatment of tumor lysis? You can give aggressive hydration. You give allopurinol because you want to decrease the uric acid, and you also use rasburicase because you know this drug is decreasing the uric acid. So this drug is also used in the gout. So that's all about the neoplasm of the lung.